a great choice today with the 2017 Audi A4. The Audi A4 is the first in a generation of Audis that have learned how to ride. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, anti-theft security system, cold weather package, CD player, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, fog lights, compass, power windows, heated front seats, trip computer, remote keyless entry, leather seats, tachometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.